What's up, y'all? What's up? Get up for the ugliest African I've ever seen in my life. I'm African, that made me look like that's an African. He's ugly, good God. I'm from Houston, make some noise. Houston, make some noise. Houston, make some noise. Yes. We got a big problem in Houston. We have a lot of homeless people. Yes, a lot of homeless people. And how the homeless people don't bother me is a homeless guy that has a dog. You see that guy with the dog and stuff? Because the dog don't want to be homeless, the dog is walking all tired and stuff. Let's just call the dog Lassie right now. Lassie looking all tired and he calls like, Lassie, come here, Lassie, come here, come here. And Lassie had that lazy bark. That's saying, help me, white people, come get me. That dog is looking tired. It's just sad, man, real, real sad. How many Oprah Winfrey fans up here? Oprah Winfrey fans? So the rest of y'all don't have TV, good. Yeah, Oprah Winfrey's leaving, y'all. I know. I love Oprah. I love Oprah because I want to have sex with Oprah. I don't care nothing about her show. I just want to have sex with her. I have a billion reasons why I want to have sex with Oprah, okay? But seriously though, Oprah, she's cool, man. She makes anybody cry on her show. Did you know this stuff? Anybody cries on her show. She had one guy, he was in 1989, he was like a white supremacist and stuff. Talking bad about niggas. They need to go back to Africa, they're niggas. And 20 years later, she interviewed the guy, and the guy pointed at the TV going, I don't even know what they're telling right now. He sounds so mean, Oprah. And Oprah was like, well, Oprah tell him, it's okay. The power of one. Commercial break. I love Oprah, man. Oprah excited about everything. She's always excited to give away anything. She can give away napkins and stuff and make this sound so cool. She's like, oh my God, we're giving out free napkins! And she run around high-fiving everybody and shit. No black people there though. Fuck. Y'all white people get everything. You get a big black woman too. Damn it. That's just sad, man. But like you said, I'm from Africa. I know. Adjust your eyes. I'm African. I'm fat. Okay, I know that. Okay, I'm not the the word African that be in the video and stuff. Not me. I'm not that African. I went to school down here. Yo, for real, I went to Africa. You know what I'm saying? And Africa is beautiful, man. It's not like coming to America though. Not coming to America, Lion King, not that Woomba Will, none of that. It's just like a whole bunch of flies out there, like it's like headquarters for flies and stuff. There's so many flies, like flies said, hey, you know we're going to Africa for vacation, y'all, let's go to Africa. It's just a lot of flies. But when I went to the club out there and stuff, I went to the nightclub and I was having fun and stuff, dancing, you know what I'm saying, just enjoying myself. And I hear people saying McDonald's in the background. And I was like, what's going on? What do they keep saying McDonald's? So I looked at my cousin, I said, cousin, what they calling McDonald's? He said, they're calling you McDonald's, big boy. Me? I'm fucking McDonald's? Where I'm from, I'm fucking sexy. No, you had sexy McDonald's tonight. But for real though, I mean, they're gonna give me a nickname. Can I choose my nickname? Can I be fucking Cheesecake Factory or some shit, you know what I mean? Or Chick-fil-A, you know what I mean? Why I gotta be McDonald's? That's racist. It's just so racist, man, racist stuff. But I watch a lot of TV and stuff, and that's my time, good crowd.
Y'all keep it going for cool, y'all. That's the fattest African you'll ever see. Trying to call me ugly.